primary function is to remove raindrops, dirt, and other debris from the windshield to maintain clear visibility in driving. Hood. Protect the engine and various parts in the engine compartment. Provide visibility behind the vehicle in low light conditions. Function of a grill is to allow airflow into the ignite compartment for cooling. Next is car doors. Main function is to protect occupants from the external environment and collision safety to the vehicles. Door handle. Function is to open and close the door while inside the vehicle. Next is door lock control, window lift, and window lock. Next is car seatbelt. The primary functions of steering wheel is to control the driving directions of a car, whether going to the right or left. Shows the current speed or the vehicle. Emergency flasher. Emergency flasher function is to allow driver to quickly and effectively signal to other road when their vehicle is experiencing a hazardous situation. Next is ignition switch. Function is to insert the key and then turns on the car engine. Pedal. The function is to allow the driver to disengage and engage the engine from the transmission. Pedal. The function is to slow down or stop vehicle. S. Accelerator pedal. Function is to control the amount of fuel delivered to the engine, allowing the driver to increase or decrease the speed of the car. Next is trunk. Enclosed area to store items, equipment, or transport cargo. Allows drivers and passengers.
Yes.
Next is windshield. Protecting occupants from wind, rain, dust, and other external elements.